Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. It has been a minute. And when I say a minute, I mean like over a year since I've done one of these. I decided to rejoin up with BOXYCHARM. Now I did rejoin last month, very late last month, and I did get April's box, but by then everybody had done their unboxing. You guys had seen every single variation, so I thought, I'll skip it and I'll wait until May. So here we are. I have had my fair share of experiences with BOXYCHARM. I will link those videos down below if you feel like being caught up and brought up to speed. Before we even get started, please excuse my nail situation. Right after I am done making this video, I am headed to the nail salon to get these puppies fixed. And to be honest, side note, I do not know how some of y'all live with these long ass nails, man. I can't do anything. I can't type. I can't pick shit up off the floor. It has been kind of a struggle and I'm really excited to get these puppies shaved down, but that's not what this video is about. We are here for BOXYCHARM, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, I did cheat a little bit. I do know what is inside this box. Now, the reason why I looked inside is because I wanted to kind of prepare, leave things off my face that might be in this box. We can kind of try them out together. This month's theme is Make Waves. Now, if you look in the lower, this would be if it's facing me, my lower right-hand corner or the lower left. This way, you're going to have a little number down here with a heart, and that is the variation of the box you received. So I got variation number 1. Here is my box on the inside. Usually BOXYCHARM will tease what products are going to be in the box before they send them out. Let's talk about the first item that I see right here. This is from GLAMGLOW. This is valued at $28. This is their Gentlebubble cleanser. Now, I am pretty picky about my skincare. I don't even want to open this. I think I'm just going to save it for a giveaway. My skin is pretty tricky and I kind of have my skincare routine fine-tuned right now, and I'm getting married in less than a month, so I'm really not in the business of messing with things, but it says this will condition, deep cleanse, and it will actually remove your makeup. It has green tea in it, oat amino acids. It's a vegan formula. It has apple extract, vitamin E, and all kinds of good stuff in there. It is soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free, which is really nice since it's good for all skin types. The next item I have in here, and this is what I was most excited for this month. I almost actually purchased this on my own, and I'm glad I didn't because I just got it in the box. This is from Alamar. This is their Colorete Blush Trio. It says that this is a highly pigmented and vegan formula. This actually does come in 3 different colorways. There's one for light to medium, I think like medium to tan, and then deep to dark. And I think that all the boxes we're gonna have a different variation, obviously, a different color range of these. I did get the one for fair to light, which is perfect for my skin. I'm not fair skinned, but I do like these types of tones here. Let's go ahead and pop some of this on the cheeks. I actually do not have any blush on right now. I'm going to use the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH06. And I'm kind of a sucker for a shimmery peach. So this shade right here, Scorcher, looks like my kind of jam. Ooh, there is a lot of powder kick up there. No big deal. Now we'll just start to blend this out on the cheeks. And this brush is kind of designed to shear out a formula. It's not very densely packed. That is really pretty, you guys. It's giving me a really kind of beautiful, just kind of like an apricot, corally flush to the cheeks. And it does have a sheen to it, but it's not too shiny. It's actually really pretty. Let's just go ahead and do some swatches quickly. So the first shade is Castaway. Wow, that feels really buttery smooth. Orange. That is a really orange shimmery blush, but holy crap, that would make a beautiful eyeshadow. Then we have Paraiso, I think I'm saying it right, this middle shade. I have an itch. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Now that's just kind of like your mid-tone, kind of rosy, blushy peach color. Perfect for every day. They all have a slight sheen, but the last one on the end here, Scorcher, the one that I just put on, seems to have the most sheen. And these feel very buttery smooth and soft. Swatch the last one, and this is the one I just put on my cheeks. So there are all of the blush shades. These are really pretty and they just scream summer. So I am so happy that this is in the box. So far, putting this on my cheeks, I really like the formula. I like the blend. It's a really pretty arrangement of colors. All right, moving on. The next item I have is from Ciate London. This is their Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. This retails for $22. I got mine in the shade Cupid. So that is what it looks like. It's like a really shimmery, silvery, pearly, shimmery pink. It's got a ton of micro reflex of glitter. There's what the wand looks like. And then we will go ahead and swatch this as well. That is gorgeous. Wow, does that pack like a glittery punch. Maybe we'll just go ahead and put some of this on right here over my shadow, just to give my look a little bit of a glitter, a little bit of a spark here. That is so intense. Hope that it doesn't break up on the eye. Wow, I didn't expect it to do quite that. Try to blend this in a bit without messing up the rest of my eye look. That is really pretty. I'm excited that we got this in the box. That's gorgeous. Very glittery, very metallic. And just to kind of show you guys the swatch one more time. Very pretty. So I'll have to play with that more, see if it breaks up cracks on the lid. Moving on to the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. Now, I'm really excited for this. I've tried Dose of Colors lipsticks before. Last winter, I did a review of like their little mini trio that they released for the holidays, and I wasn't super impressed, but I do want to give it another try. So I got mine in the shade Rosebud. This retails for $18. Here's what it looks like. So it's just like a nice mid-tone mauve-y shade. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Oh yeah. That's just like a really pretty neutral shade, perfect for spring. I love this shape of a wand for a liquid lipstick. It just kind of has like that indentation and it just kind of hugs the lips. The Jeffree Star lipsticks have that. So do the Wet n Wild liquid catsuits. It just makes it so easy to put on your lipstick. I actually really like the way this looks. When I first put a swipe on, I was like, okay, this looks a little bit different than the swatch here. This is looking a little bit more lavender, and it is. It's kind of like a grayish lavender mauve-y tone, but it's actually really pretty, and this went on like a total dream. When I tried their formula before, I don't remember it going on quite like this. This is really nice. I actually really enjoy this. Yay, I'm so excited, and now maybe I might try more Dose of Color lipsticks, so that's exciting. There's one last item in the box. This is from Bodyography. This is an eyeliner pencil that retails for $14. Okay, I'm really confused. So on here it says this is an eye pencil. On the description here it says Bodyography eyeliner pencil, but then in the description here it says this vegan cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. So it's supposed to fill in and define the lips. Well, this is clearly an eye pencil. This is in the shade Emerald. So there's the shade right there. It's pretty, but I'll be honest, I feel like from other unboxings that I've seen from BoxyCharm, because I do watch them even when I wasn't getting the box, mostly Kathleen Lights, I feel like there's always some sort of eyeliner pencil in the box, and in my past experiences they've never really been that good. I mean, I've never tried this brand before, so we will go ahead and give it a shot. The tip is a little bit too defined, so I'm just going to kind of wear it down a bit and prep it on my arm here just because I don't feel like poking myself. But let's go ahead and just pop some of this in the waterline, see if it's any good, and see if it shows up. Yeah, I'm not getting much pigment from this at all. I would never pay $14 for this. It's just really not doing much at all. The color is pretty, but even upon swatching it, it's just kind of very muted. It's not giving me much. And when there's pencils out there like the ColourPop cream gel eyeliners that are like, what, $6, $7, $8 each, that just give you this crazy massive pigmentation for such a good price that's long wearing and just kind of glides on with ease. This kind of stuff being priced at $14 is just kind of like, nah, pass. I don't know. I really wish that subscription boxes would kind of stop putting these pencil liners in their box. I mean, obviously I'm getting a crazy value with the GLAMGLOW face wash, the Ciate liquid eyeshadow, the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, the Alamar Cosmetics blush. I mean, these three items alone are worth the $20, $21 that the box costs every month. I can't even complain there. It's still, you're still paying for the box, and I feel like these items are just kind of lazy. They're like a throwaway item. They're just kind of put into the box to just kind of jack up the value even more that they put into the box. I would have been happy with just receiving the 4 items here. This could have just been saved, not even put into the box, in my opinion. So let me know how you feel about getting eyeliners and liner pencils like this in the boxes. I think I've seen other people and read other people saying kind of the same thing. This will probably go into my bad bin down there, which I have been saving up a lot of product so that I can bring you guys kind of like the worst makeup I've tried recently type video. So that's where that guy belongs. It's just really not that good. So overall though, I will say that I am pretty impressed with this box. I love the blush palette from Alamar. Killed it, nailed it. Beautiful formula, looks so pretty on the cheeks, blends super easily. The Dose of Colors Rosebud Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is a really pretty shade. I can't even complain there. Totally not something that I could see myself typically reaching for, which is why I'm glad I got it, because I think it's really pretty and it's really cute. The Eye Lustre Cream Shadow so far since I've been talking is sitting pretty good on the lid. It's really glittery, really pigmented, and just really pretty. I mean, even that swatch, I don't see any cracking or anything like that. And then obviously the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Conditioning Face Wash. I think I'm going to put into a giveaway. There is that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got in this month's box. I think I'm going to keep BoxyCharm for a while here. I did stop ordering the box for quite some time. I was doing unboxings pretty much I think through, maybe it was May or June. Maybe it hasn't quite been a year since I last did one of these, but I felt like less and less of you were watching them, and I just thought maybe there wasn't a huge interest in it. I wasn't having a ton of fun with it, but now I've been getting more and more requests to do these unboxings, and I thought, why not? I do also have to note that I'm pretty impressed with how quickly I got my box as a new subscriber. I have had huge issues with this in the past, but since re-signing up, when I rejoined, I got my first box in less than a week and a half, and then this box I got, I want to say, was it yesterday or the day before? So this got to me so quickly, less than 10 days after the money was taken out of my account. So far, I'm impressed with that. We'll see if that keeps up. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned. The Wet n Wild full Crystal Cavern collection, I bought the entire thing, will be up on my channel on Monday. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!